In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Steam overlay, both globally and for a specific game, so you can access in-game features like the web browser, community guides, screenshots, trading, and more without leaving your game. This is a quick but important Steam setting, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute to turn on. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner, click Steam and then choose Settings. This is where you'll find the main Steam preferences that control how the app behaves. Once the settings window opens, look at the sidebar and click on In-Game. This section contains the options for the Steam overlay and other in-game features. Now find the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and make sure it is turned on. This is the master switch, so if this is off, the overlay won't work no matter what game you launch. Right below that, take a quick look at the shortcut keys. By default, Steam Overlay opens with Shift and Tab, but if you've changed it before, make sure you remember the new shortcut. Knowing the key combination is important because that's how you bring the overlay up once you're inside a game. Now, even if the global setting is enabled, there's one more place you should check. Steam Overlay can also be turned off for individual games, so it's worth verifying the game-specific setting too. Go to your Steam library and find the game you want to use the overlay with. Right-click the game title, then select Properties. In the Properties window, stay on the General tab. Here, you should see another option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Make sure this toggle is also switched on for that specific game. This step matters because sometimes a game can have its own overlay setting disabled, even when Steam itself is configured correctly. Once both settings are enabled, close the Properties window and launch your game. To test it, press Shift and Tab or whatever shortcut you confirmed earlier, and the Steam overlay should appear on top of the game. If it doesn't open right away, double check both the global Steam setting and the per game properties setting again. Those two steps solve the issue in most cases. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Steam overlay in Steam and for your selected game. Now you can access Steam features while playing without constantly tabbing out. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.